Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ITC Limited. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ITC with a price target of Rs 515. ITC's shareholder have approved demerger of its hotel business into a separate listed entity. ITC will continue to hold a 40% stake in the demerged entity, while the remaining 60% will be held by the shareholders. Demerger of ITC hotel business will strengthen ITC's balance sheet and return profile in the coming years. Further, improving margins in the non-cigarette FMCG business will also aid to improvement in return ratios and valuation multiples. Business fundamentals of ITC are intact with steady growth in the core cigarette business and non-cigarette FMCG business, witnessing consistent improvement in EBITDA margins. Efficient capital allocation plan and strong dividend payout make it a good pick in the large cap FMCG space with an attractive valuations. Stock trade at 24 times its FY25 and 21 times its FY26 earnings respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.